Hi guys, welcome to Circuit K. Today we have HP 820G3. This one has a liquid damage issue. As you can see we have all of this part here is completely affected with liquid damage. According to the customer, water poured on the system. So you can see on the RAM here. Okay, you can see on the RAM here. You can see everywhere around the RAM memory. Okay, so all over the motherboard we are having liquid damage. So all right, so let's put it on so you see what it does. Okay, coming with my charger. All right, plug in. As you can see, the system comes up. The fan blows at high speed. No picture on the screen. Then on the indicator lights here, you can see. So this system is showing to be behaving okay. Everything is fine, but no picture on the screen. And I don't have the keyboard here to check if we're having any blink on the cap lock or something. But for now, the keyboard is not here. The technician already took that out. Let's deal with the liquid damage. Okay, before then, I would suggest we replace the RAM memory. You come with a different RAM memory. Let's be sure we're coming with a trusted RAM memory here. Okay, let's check again. The system is on, the fan still blow at full. The power switch light is on. Still no picture on the screen. So let's check out the board. Okay. So let's go closer on this part of this board. You see, as you can see on this part of the board, it's really affected. This part of the board is really affected with the liquid damage. Okay, and also here, it's really affected. So I think under the network, how do you call this part here? What is this plastic called? We know it helps to arrange the network cables together. So as you can see on this part here, this is heavily affected. So behind the motherboard, everything look fine. Everything look fine. Okay. Okay, where we have the power switch, you can see this area is completely affected with the liquid damage. So all right, where we have the charging port, the first MOSFET and second MOSFET. So they're all affected, but the system still comes up anyway. Okay, here you have your type C port. See all of these parts here. So it was completely soaked with water. So let's see what we can achieve. Okay. So I'll be coming with some alcohol. And my toothbrush. So we don't need to be too hard on the board. Just brush it gently. So I'm trying to be sure of the surroundings, if it's fine. Okay. Alright, so all good. All good. Alright, so okay. Alright, so let's go with the blower. So my air at full. Okay. Alright, this is fine. Let's go. Alright, so let's go again. Alright, so that's enough. So let's bring the casing. Alright. So as you can see on the case, we still have a whole lot of growth here around this part here, and a little on the flex connector. So let's brush it a little bit. All right, that's fine. Let's dry it a little. Okay.